Welcome to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living. Today, we're diving into the world of jackfruit, a tropical superfood that's not only delicious but also packed with incredible health benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, jackfruit has it all. Stay tuned to learn why you should add this nutrient-rich fruit to your diet and how it can transform your well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Jackfruit, a tropical fruit known for its unique texture and sweet taste, has been gaining attention for its numerous health benefits. Originating from South and Southeast Asia, this giant fruit is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can improve your overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the many health benefits of jackfruit and why it deserves a place in your diet. Jackfruit is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. It contains significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining good health and preventing various diseases. Vitamin C, this powerful antioxidant, helps boost your immune system, fight infections, and promote healthy skin. Vitamin A, essential for good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper functioning of your heart, lungs, and kidneys. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, maintain fluid balance, and support proper muscle and nerve function. Magnesium, important for muscle function, bone health, and energy production. Fiber, aids digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut. Aids digestion. One of the standout benefits of jackfruit is its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber helps feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Regular consumption of jackfruit can help maintain a healthy digestive system and reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. Boosts immunity. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune health. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By including jackfruit in your diet, you can strengthen your immune system and reduce the likelihood of getting sick. This is especially important during cold and flu season. Supports heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Fortunately, jackfruit can contribute to a healthy heart in several ways. Potassium, this mineral helps lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in your diet. Supports skin health. 1. Antioxidants. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative stress, both of which can damage your heart. 2. Fiber. A high-fiber diet is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. 2. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries. Jackfruit is a great source of natural sugars and carbohydrates, making it an excellent energy booster. Unlike processed sugars, the natural sugars in jackfruit provide a steady release of energy without causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes jackfruit a perfect snack for athletes or anyone needing a quick energy boost. It can also help combat fatigue and keep you energized throughout the day. One of the reasons jackfruit is gaining popularity is its versatility in cooking. The texture of young jackfruit resembles shredded chicken, making it an excellent meat substitute for vegetarians and vegans. Here are some popular ways to use jackfruit in your meals. 1. Jackfruit tacos. Replace meat with young jackfruit for a delicious, plant-based taco filling. 2. Jackfruit curry. Add jackfruit to your favorite curry recipe for a hearty and nutritious dish. 3. Jackfruit smoothies. Blend ripe jackfruit with yogurt and other fruits for a refreshing and nutritious smoothie. 4. Jackfruit desserts. Use jackfruit in cakes, puddings, and ice creams for a tropical twist. Despite being packed with nutrients, jackfruit is relatively low in calories. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. By replacing higher calorie foods with jackfruit, you can reduce your overall calorie intake without sacrificing nutrition. The high fiber content in jackfruit also helps you feel full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Jackfruit is loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and aging. Some of the key antioxidants found in jackfruit include 1. Flavonoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. 2. Carotenoids. These pigments are essential for eye health and have been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers. 3. Vitamin C. As mentioned earlier, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and protects against cellular damage. Jackfruit contains several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, while magnesium helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Vitamin C is necessary for the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to your bones. Regular consumption of jackfruit can help maintain healthy bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Despite its sweet taste, jackfruit has a relatively low glycemic index, GI, meaning it does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes it a suitable fruit for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. The fiber content in jackfruit also helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, further helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. Additionally, the high water content in jackfruit helps keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Jackfruit is more than just a tasty tropical fruit, it is a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits. From aiding digestion and boosting immunity to supporting heart health and providing energy, jackfruit is a versatile and beneficial addition to your diet. Whether you enjoy it fresh, cooked, or blended into a smoothie, incorporating jackfruit into your meals can help you lead a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing health benefits of jackfruit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have you tried jackfruit before? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and we'll see you in the next video.